How to link Stash to PayPal for transfers. Welcome! In this guide, we'll show you how to move money from your Stash account to PayPal. While you can't link Stash directly to PayPal, you can use a shared bank account to transfer funds between the two. Before getting started, make sure both your Stash and PayPal accounts are active. Your Stash account should already be connected to a bank account, and a PayPal account must be verified with up-to-date personal and bank information. Open the Stash app and go to the Transfer section and initiate a withdrawal to your linked bank account. Transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete, so be sure to plan accordingly. Next, open the PayPal app and go to your wallet. Tap on Link a Bank and enter the same bank account information that's linked to your Stash account. You may need to verify your bank through PayPal's small deposit process. Once your bank account is linked to both platforms, you can add money to PayPal. Go to Add Money in the PayPal app, choose your bank, enter the desired amount, and complete the transfer. Just a reminder, Stash doesn't support direct PayPal connections, so this process uses your shared bank as a bridge. Also, make sure both accounts are verified to prevent any issues during transfers.